Hi! JC Parker here. Curious ka ba kung saan naabutin ng 1.5 mo? Anong negosyo ang pwede sa 1.5? Well, join us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 1 p.m. at 8 p.m. para malaman nyo kung anong produkto ang epektibo at negosyong panalo. Join us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 1 p.m. at 8 p.m. para sa Wealth Opportunities of Wide. Kita-kits. So we are inviting everybody to please be part of our family. Come and join us. Join this growing family. Be part of Wide. We are Wide. Well, morning! JC Parker here. Meron po akong tanong sa inyo. Isa po ba kayo sa mga nagtrabaho dahil sa COVID-19? Nagsara po ba ang inyong mga negosyo dahil sa pandemic na ito? Gusto mo na bang bumawi pero wala kang pangpuhunan? Well, ito ang para sa iyo. I'm inviting you to join our free universal dealership program dito sa Aromagicare. Ito po ay isang oportunidad para magkaroon kayo ng other source of income with very generous compensation plan with best quality products. At syempre, tutulungan po kayo ng company para simulan ng negosyo nyo. Solid ang support system na ibibigay namin sa inyo. So if you want to be part of our family, do business with us, please do message us and magkita-kita po tayo. God bless!
Hi everyone, this is April Martin of White International and Aromagicare Corporation. And now, we will be talking about the newest project that we are about to launch in a few days. This is what we call the Universal Dealership Program of White International. If you're not yet an official distributor of White or Aromagicare, you can now be part of our company for free para sa lahat ng gustong mag-take ng opportunity to become our dealers nationwide. This is a zero capital project of White International na ibinibigay po natin sa mga kababayan po natin na gusto pong kumita during their spare time. O kaya kahit nasa bahay sila or kahit naka-online lang sila. So they can also do the business with us. So now, how to start being part of this universal dealership program for free? Number 1 is kailangan mong ma-endorse ng isang official member ng White or pwede mong kontakin directly ang aming kumpanya na page at pwede nyo kaming i-message. There is a team who would be handling your concerns and inquiry about this universal dealership account. Once you will be asked for the basic information so you can get registered for this. Once you're registered, you will be given your username and password na magagamit mo bilang free universal dealership account holder sa ating kumpanya. So now, within 15 days, all you need to do is to activate your account. Very simple. All you need to do is just to purchase at least 10 bottles of Aromagicare Therapy Oil or any of the products of White International. Makukuha mo ito hindi sa SRP. So kung ang SRP ay 200 pesos, kapag ikaw ay may dealership account na, makukuha mo na lang ito sa unang purchase ng 150 pesos each or 1,500 for the 10 bottles. So meaning to say, you could start selling it and you already have the profit margins. Plus, upon activation ng dealer's account, meron agad siyang matatanggap na 200 pesos na worth ng product voucher na pwede niyang ibili ng produkto. Once you're done with the initial purchase of 10 items or 10 bottles, congratulations po! Officially activated na po ang inyong dealership account. As simple as that. And yes, on your next purchase, lahat ng ating products will be given to you at a discounted rate for the dealers of the company. Yes, ma-avail mo dire-diretso ang ating discounts for our official dealers of the Universal account. For example, our best-selling product is Aromagicare Therapy Oil. Ang SRP niya ay 200 pesos. Once dealer ka na ng company, ang kanyang dealer's rate po ay 140 pesos na lang. So if you sell the item at 200 pesos SRP and you get it at 140 pesos, you have a margin of 60 pesos per bottle. And the good news is that our product is really good, effective, high quality, FDA approved. It is also patented, so protektado po ang ating brand. So we have this what we call the membership account. Pag ikaw ay officially account holder ng membership account, you will be qualified for all the bonuses and incentives that we give to our distributors. And another thing is if you're not willing to shell out yet, what you can do is to continue selling the products and availing of the dealer's rate, at pag umabot ka sa 555 items na na-purchase mo sa company, automatic po, may incentive ka na free Universal Diamond account. So that is amounted to 15,888 pesos. Meron ka ng worth 18,000 na free products sa package na yon. You will now be qualified for the incentive program of the members of the company. Imagine, that is just for free when you reach your 555 items purchased as a dealer of the company. And about the Universal Diamond account, we have a separate video for that. Hindi po ba napakagandang opportunity nito para sa lahat? So ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Aromagicare Corporation and White International. At kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, maaari mo tong i-share sa mga kaibigan or kakilala mo na pwede ring mabigyan ng opportunity sa pamamagitan ng proyektong ito. Meron tayong set of coaches, management team, marketing team, na pwedeng tumulong sa'yo para sa growth mo sa negosyong ito na mas malaki pa yung iyong maging opportunity or earning or income opportunity in the future. So this is just a simple this free universal dealership program. So God bless everybody.
Well, morning! JC Parker here. Meron po akong tanong sa inyo. Isa po ba kayo sa mga Pilipinong nawala ng trabaho dahil sa COVID-19? Nagsara po ba ang inyong mga negosyo dahil sa pandemic na ito? Gusto mo na bang bumawi pero wala kang pangpuhunan? Well, ito ang para sa'yo. I'm inviting you, yes you, to join our free universal dealership program dito sa Aromagicare. Ito po ay isang oportunidad para magkaroon kayo ng other source of income with very generous compensation plan with best quality products. At syempre, tutulungan po kayo ng company para simulan ang negosyo nyo. Solid ang support system na ibibigay namin sa inyo. So if you want to be part of our family, do business with us, please do message us and magkita-kita po tayo. God bless.
That the lives of these people will be uplifted to the highest level this year.
Kung 6 months na to, makikita nyo kung paano maglulusog ang company, kung paano umakyat, paano makuha yung goals, paano makatulong sa maraming tao, paano kumita ang marami, yung talaga namin gustong gawin. At ito lang yun. Kung sasabay ka, isa ka sa makikinabang dito, kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Huwag ka lang patumpik-tumpik. Gawin mo na kung ano dapat, mag-decide ka na ngayon na para maabot nyo ang pangarap nyo. Sama-sama tayo. We can bounce back together.
Kasunod. Yeah.
Magtrabaho tayo, we believe, at ma-achieve natin lahat yon dito sa wine.
We are actually destined to do this because we have people who actually believe in our vision.
Footsteps must be followed by those who aspire to become successful.
So we are inviting everybody to please be part of our family. Come and join us. Join this growing family. Be part of Wine. We are Wine.
pananakit ng katawan, rheumatism, arthritis, sakit ng ulo, pananakit ng ngipin, at pangangati, siguradong alis sa Aromagicare Therapy Oil. Aromagicare Therapy Oil. Stress alis, lagnat alis, fatigue alis, kati alis, sipon alis, ubo alis, sakit alis, sugat alis, varicose alis, arthritis alis, bad breath alis. Aromagicare Therapy Oil. Your first aid tool all the time. Aromagicare Therapy Oil. Aprobado ng Food and Drug Administration. Aromagicare Therapy Oil. Mahalagang paalala, ang Aromagicare Therapy Oil ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin gamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. Aromagicare Therapy Oil. Aromagicare Therapy Oil.